See, there it is.
Not charging.
Not charging.
Not charging.
I'll get that in here and jump it.
Clear.
Boom! He is, oh! Yeah, about that. Well. Let's not do it. Good morning, everybody. It was a cold one this morning. Everything was frozen again. Frozen. Got a utility to do today. I'm gonna haul Bud over there to get that back patio dug out because I forgot to do it yesterday, and so I can get gravel dumped back there. Join me. And of course, the fog started rolling in. We're gonna get him back here. Just cut out that little part, just somewhere to put it. Foundation's gonna be there. We got plenty of room. I thought I forgot to unlock those dogs for a second, but maybe they... So that's one load. So we're gonna get another load on there. Foundation is just over, but it's all right. We can deal with it. So what's the verdict? New batteries?
No. You guys were charging from here and here for a while?
For the first part. I got buckets switched here, concrete or out there. So I can start digging. I got plenty of room over there so I can put my dirt for my sewer. I think. Yeah, I got plenty of room. Along with rock coming to it, yeah. Plenty of room, plenty of room. And if I don't get to it, it'll stay for this garage later. Moving it now so I can get on top over there. You don't want to track on concrete, it'll tear them up. Especially with this machine being notorious for throwing tracks. The soil is notorious for throwing tracks. Concrete's out of the way, 2-inch right there. Can you see that? Can you?
Can you?
For those that are new to watching this, thank you for watching. Don't forget that subscribe button right there. That is for the phone line, landline, which I doubt is going to ever be used, but we'll get to all that in a little bit. We're going to lay that power first. The trench is going to be wide because our gas line is going to be in the same trench. The power's right down there. So there's that 3-inch. This is the ground rod for the power. And obviously the 3-inch with our white cap on it. I put a white cap on it this time. I saw them when they were pouring. So there's no concrete that gets through there. That's why I duct tape those 2 inches, those 2-inchers. Right there, and that's in front of it. So that was the back one. got that found right there at the end of the shovel. Ugly ramp set up. He can dump up in there. Got one more load coming after this. One more transfer. It's 2 loads. 2. We're gonna keep rocking and rolling. All right, guys. So we got our gas trench dug, our power trench dug. Now it is time to find the sewer.
550.
Oh, perfect. Not deep at all, folks. For rain, obviously it's going to go up, so it's going to be like what, 520 or so with the angle of flow. Just keep digging. All right. First thing we want to do is dig the waterline trench. That's just a red plant? Oh. So the water, if you're near here, I've explained it before, but if you haven't seen, the water, our water code depth is 24 inches to the top of the water line. But usually I dig just a hair deeper than that, just to be on the safe side. Some inspectors want to work with you, because we have to cross over the gas line, and then the gas company doesn't like if we go under the gas line. Water company doesn't like for us to go under it, over it. It's a big deal. Frank got Frank spotted for me. Always have a spotter. We get that rebar out? I don't want to put a flat in the track. Huh?
Well, there's pipes right here, so
Oh.
don't want to puncture a hole.
I'll puncture crossing over the gas line, ladies and gentlemen. One of these things. It's pretty big. It's okay. Should be a foot of sand and some trench tape over this gas. Sometimes there's not trench tape. Sometimes it's not even a foot of sand above it. Sweet, so we got our water line trench dug, our low point drain trench. There's not really going to be water going in that pipe at all. a water line bust on the house or something. So anyway, our sewer trench all dug. Bam, got it exposed there. Not breaking it is a good thing. We're gonna check on Frank. So if he's working on the power, so see if he's done. Getting there. All right. After he gets that done, what?
Lunchtime?
Lunchtime. All right, guys, we are back from lunch. Excuse me. Made it here to the backyard. I got my soakage trench laid out. If you can see that. I know it's bright outside, but anyway, we're gonna start digging that. To dig that one over there so we can get 2 inspections at once, and we'll just keep rocking and rolling. All right, it's in here. Really good soil. Pretty good. So I'm going to go dig that other one. Catch you guys in the morning.